Good evening, friends. I'm back here to show you another beautiful project, a beautiful pair of earrings that I'm sure you would be dying to try out. And for this project, we need just two colored crystal beads, black, silver gray, a pair of scissors, pair of pliers, earring hooks, jump rings, jewelry making thread and needle. Start by knotting the thread, alright, and take 4 crystal beads. Making a couple of knots, go through one of these beads. Take 3 more beads. Get back into this same bead. Come all around, back to the top here. From this point, back into this topmost bead. This is how it will start looking. Get into this. So we have done 3 of this. We need to do 2 more. Alright, let's do that and get back. We have completed 5 of these. Okay, and now go to the top, come to the bead on the side. Okay, we are on the side here. Now take 3 beads, go back into this bead on the side. Now go through this bead and the top bead. Okay, this is how it looks. Now take 3 more beads. You need to have 5 of these formations on this line also, on this row also. So we've had 5 down like this. Now we need to have 5 sideways. So let's do that. It's the same format, taking 3 beads each and inserting it into this topmost one and coming all around to the top bead and going on like that. Okay. So you have, including this corner which I'm holding, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, you need to have one more. Come all the way down to this point. Come to this bottom bead, and here we start making another line. So you have a L formation. You need to make a complete square. Okay, so 5 blocks on each line, 5 blocks here and 5 blocks here. That's how we complete this square. Okay, so at this point add 3 beads, come all the way around to this point. So this is how it will look at this point. Now add, we've got 2 blocks, we need 3 more here. Okay, let's do that and get it. So we've completed 3 sides, need to complete one more side. These 2 will be included, counted as 2 blocks each. 2 blocks. Yet when we are making a line of 5 here, this will be taken into calculation. Alright, so we need to add only 3 blocks here. So we've done 3 sides, friends. We need to complete the last side. In the last line, these 2 blocks also will be taken into count. Okay, so this will be 1, 2, and we need 3 more blocks to complete this line. Now then we've got the thread coming out from this bead. Come to this bead and complete 3 blocks joining to this point in the end. Alright, so let's finish that and get back. Okay, at this point we have 3 blocks here, right? 1, 2, 3. After the third one, you take one single bead, go into this bead here, come out from this side and back into this bead. Run the thread one more time around it and you will have a perfect square. Alright, so let's do that. So here we are, we got a perfect square. Now come all the way around to the center block. We have 1, 2, 3. Come to this block here. Alright, the third one, the center one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So come to the third one. Alright, come to this point. So here we are at this point, the center of this line. We are done with the black beads and now we'll start inserting the next color. So here we add 3 beads of the other color. Add 3 more beads. Come to this bead on the side now. Here we've added only 2 blocks, okay, so leave it at that. Come to the side bead now and start making a line of 5 blocks, including this block we are starting from. Okay, so this will be counted as the first block. sorry, I've taken 4 beads. We start making a line sideways from this point. You see, this is how it looks. This is taken as one line. Now we need to make the second line of 5 blocks. Alright, so let's do that and get back. So here we are. We've done 2 blocks here. If you include the black one, it becomes 3 blocks. Alright, but if you take only the gray color into consideration, this will be 2 blocks here, 5 blocks here, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now we are at this point of this line. We are at this point. We need to do another 5 blocks here and 2 blocks here in the center bead of this line. This third one in the center, that will be the center point. Okay, so we do including this will be number 1, block number 1. You need to add 4 more blocks and 2 more blocks here, exactly in this manner. Okay, so let's finish that and get back. Get into the third bead here in the center. All right, so here we are. Now we need to come to this topmost black bead here in the center, where we connected the silver beads. Now this will count as block 1, block 2 and block 3. Okay, the black one will count as block 3. Okay, 1 2 and 3. Now we need to add 2 blocks of gray beads. Here we are, friends. We've got 1 2 3 4 5 blocks here on this line also. Now we need to connect this with this line. All right, here we have 1 2 3 4. So all that we need to do is take one silver bead, connect it to this black bead here, the center one, come out from the other side, take another silver bead and connect it with this, and then we are done. So this is how it looks at this point. As I told, it's a bit limp, so I'll reinforce it by going all the way around, and then I'll be back. All right. So here we go, friends. This is how it looks as a finished product. Looks lovely, right? So I'll make it spare and I'll get back to you. All right, stay tuned.